There it goes.
Oh, wait, yep. It's doing something.
It's doing something. All right. I don't know what's going on with this recording program. Because earlier I barely even touched start recording and it was like, boom, done. And this time it took forever to start up. Anyway, here we are. We have a couple types of ice cream to try. We've got some chocolate. We got some chips. We've got a small haul from Dollar Tree and Wal-Mart. Didn't find a whole lot. The things I was looking for are still out of stock. So we'll either try another Dollar Tree later on or maybe check that one again later in the week. They're getting stuff in all the time, so we'll see. We found actually 3 new flavors of Little Debbie ice cream. We only bought 2 of them. The third flavor was turtle brownie, and neither of us really like nuts in our brownies, so we didn't pick that one up. But we did get chocolate chip cream pie and apple fruit pie. So since these are starting to melt, we probably ought to do those first, and then we can look at what else we picked up. I think these are just going to be plain and nothing exciting, so
Probably.
whatever. Let's start with the chocolate chip since it's on top. Made by Hudsonville Ice Cream. Oh wow, that's melty. Let's see if I can do this without dumping it down my shirt. So this is chocolate chip cream pie. There's lots of little chocolate chip pieces in there. Careful.
Shit. It just flew.
Did I not? Just say, be careful.
Well.
I was hoping to not have to wash this shirt tonight. Or right away. I managed to not spill Chinese food on it, and you flip ice cream on me. Can't win. Just cannot win. I almost changed shirts, and I thought, no, I like this shirt. This is one I got from Temu. And it looked really pretty with my purple bat shoes.
Yeah.
Pretty good, isn't it?
Yep.
It's not that different from just a regular chocolate chip ice cream. There are little bits of the dough or cookie part in there.
Yeah.
I just got a mouthful of it. That's a win.
Yep.
I hope this has big chunks of apple in it. Yeah, it's dripping all over. This poor container is just sweating everywhere. I'll have you run and put these in the freezer.
Yeah.
When we're done tasting, so they can solidify a little bit. It's definitely got cinnamon in it. Taste that just from the little bit that got on me taking the lid off. It's got cinnamon. It's got pieces of crust. Does it have any apple?
Who knows? Might.
One would think with the name, apple fruit pie, that it would have some apple fruit in it. I haven't found any bits of apple, but I've found plenty of pieces of crust. Is that a piece of apple? Maybe. That's a little bit of the apple glaze. don't know. The cinnamon flavor's good. I just haven't dug down far enough to get apple flavor.
Yeah. Yeah.
There, now maybe this will be a little less messy. Put it in the trash can. It'll probably attract mice. I am so sticky now.
Yeah. It's something alright.
Wow, the whole lid came apart. You want to go throw these in the freezer real quick so they can be a little less ooey gooey?
Yeah.
Maybe bring me a damp paper towel so I can wipe off some of the sticky. Could have taken the spoon. Well, at least he took the ice cream. Alright. What else do we have? Let me do some haul while he's doing that. Dollar Tree. Found these really cute fuzzy socks. They are super, super stretchy. I mean, look at this. They just... And they're like the almost same mint green as the leopard print shirt I had on earlier. So I thought those would be nice to wear with that. And then...
This thing.
Well, is it a paper towel? Is it damp?
I don't know.
Not damp, not a paper towel.
It's something
Here,
alright.
put this out in the sink and get me a damp towel.
If I can
I need
find
damp so I can get the sticky off. Silly. Okay, so we found a couple of things to put in his advent calendar. And he actually found them. I was looking for them. He was like, what are you looking for? And I was like, those little pony blind bags. Well, we had gotten one before, and it was this little charm bracelet type. And we found one of those, and then we found 3 that have these like little rubbery ponies in them. Movable legs. Ooh. Series 1 includes Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie, Applejack, and Twilight Sparkle. I think they forgot somebody. And there were a whole bunch of them. Somebody had gone in and torn a bunch of them open. I think they were trying to get all of the ponies. And rather than be in the spirit of blind bags, they ripped them all open till they found what they wanted. And we had to dig to find some that were still sealed. If he ends up with 3 Rainbow Dashes, so what? At least he's got some ponies to play with, right? So these are going to be put into advent calendar boxes. He found these Teddy Grahams and picked it up because they had Princess Peach on the cover. Mario Kart. And apparently you can win... Scan the QR code to unlock exciting back-to-school content and enter the sweepstakes. Ends October 31st, so we're good. You could win a trip to Super Nintendo World. Ooh, fun. A Nabisco and Nintendo Switch prize pack, fun school supplies, or your favorite Nabisco snacks. It's got a couple little games. Can you find the one that's only there once? Yeah, that one. And then unscramble the letters. Banana peel. Pretty easy. Apparently the packets inside have multiple designs, blah, 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 whatever. So we'll have to scan that QR code and see if you win a Switch.
Yeah, hopefully. I could use another one.
I need a new base for mine.
Yeah.
He found this Pikachu video. So it has 8 episodes. Damn!
We almost.
Almost! It teetered on the edge of the box that I wanted it to go in, and then it on the floor. I found this National Park calendar. It's a 2024 calendar. It's already on clearance for $1.
God damn.
At Walmart. The images are really pretty, and I was like, yeah, I'll pick that up for $1 and cut it apart for stuff. But I'll wait until, the end of 2024 because it's still good. Just set it in the box. Don't look at what's in the box. Just set it in the box. Here, while you're over there, set these in that box too.
That's a lot of weird shit in the box.
Merry Christmas. If that's what you really want in a box, that's kind of gross. Just saying. I found these 2 paper treat bags, and I was thinking I could maybe use them either as pages or pockets in a journal. The problem is the designs are sideways. But the pumpkin one's not so bad because some of the pumpkins are also sideways. But I was looking at this one and I'm thinking, I could probably cut it off about halfway and then have 2 pockets. Just glue the bottom of the top one shut and I'll have 2 pockets that I can put in. But I just think they're so cute. I mean, aren't they adorable? I love the little vampire. Because of course I would. And the pumpkin and the ghost. I mean, they're just all really cute. But I love these happy pumpkins. So I think that's going to be fun things to put into a journal. And then, also in the clearance aisle at Walmart, I found some enamel pins. Last year I bought a whole bunch of different ones, and this year they had some different ones than what I had before. So this one has like molecules, and then this says, "You are the solution," with a bunch of test tubes. Then we have recycle and love with the planet Earth in a heart shape. I thought, why not? They're cute. Add them to the ever-growing pin collection. Is that all the stuff? We found the Cool Ranch Dorito Lays. They only had one bag that we could find. And we had those when they came out. Well, it was about a year, hadn't it?
I think so.
So we were happy to find them again. And then on the other clearance rack in the back of the store where they had the food clearance, they had these Godiva chocolate boxes. They were originally $11.17 and we got them for $4.50. Now there's only 9 pieces of chocolate in a box. You get your own box.
Yeah.
So that's like 50 cents per piece of chocolate. But it's Godiva, so it's worth that kind of money. And the flavors are Red Velvet Cake Bliss, Chocolate Lava Cake Bliss, and Birthday Cake Bliss.
Yay.
Yeah, I'll save this and use it. This would be good for a closure for a journal.
Yeah.
See, always thinking. And we got pictures of chocolate. And who doesn't love a picture of chocolate?
Yeah.
I'll put that in there too. So let's try these, and then you can take your box with you when you go back to your room later. Okay, the lid pops off, and then you have to unpeel the plastic. I thought the plastic was probably wrapping the lid too, but apparently not. They had a couple other Godiva things, but they weren't marked down as well. I think that's a really pretty box. I'm sure I can find something to do with it when the chocolate is gone. So here's what they look like in the box. Oh, please don't fall out. Let's get all the D's going the same way. I have little moments of OCD. Some of them upside down and some of them right side up and drop, just making me crazy. Crazier than usual. Please do not fall out. Stay in your little pouch. So that's what they look like. This is like a milk chocolate, a dark chocolate, and a white chocolate. Because a picture has to be on the bottom of the box. There's no picture.
Yeah.
Well, how do I know which one's which? Without biting into them all.
I'm about to fucking attack that thing. Cause it's stupid box and the thing that's in the box.
Dude.
It's the box's
Do not
fault.
let the box outsmart you.
It is the box's fault. I'm blaming
It's
it.
not the box's fault that you don't know how to unwrap plastic. Doodly doo. Now see, now I gotta go and flip these all back around because probably should have turned the box around and flipped them the other way because there are fewer to flip, but whatever.
It's like one of those,
Like it matters.
one of those match 3 things.
Okay, now they're all going the same direction. Oh, you're lining them up by color.
I think so, yeah.
That didn't bother me. It was the G's going some up and some down. That was driving me nuts. More so than usual.
Yeah.
Well, shall we try some?
Yeah, I guess.
I got the milk chocolatey looking one. So is this rich milk chocolate? This is probably the red velvet cake.
Probably.
I thought maybe the middle would be red, but there's little tiny bits of red, and you're not going to be able to see it on this camera because my lighting sucks. But there's little red bits in there, I guess. I really thought it would be like red in the middle.
Yeah.
It's good. It's nice and creamy.
Yeah.
Now, whose wisdom was it for this?
I don't know.
Serving size, 2 pieces. Ha! There's 9 pieces in the box. Ha! Calories per serving is 120. Just say that they're 60 calories a piece.
Yeah.
Make the serving size 1 piece, and it's 60 calories per piece. Instead of 4.5 servings per container. That's dumb.
Yeah.
I imagine most people are going to be like us and eat one of each kind.
Yeah.
They're either going to eat 1 piece or they're going to eat 1 of each flavor.
Yep.
I doubt they're going to be like, oh, it's 2 pieces per serving.
Ha!
Right. Okay, this should be the chocolate lava cake one because dark chocolate ganache. A dual layer of molten chocolate over decadent dark chocolate ganache and a dark chocolate shell with white chocolate drizzle. Yeah, that's hard to read with all the information on the bottom of the box. Yeah, that's dark chocolate covered in dark chocolate.
Yeah.
I do love a chocolate lava cake. If I hadn't wanted Chinese so bad, we could have gone to Applebee's and gotten chocolate lava cake.
Yeah.
You're doing the bouncing thing again. Why do you think I need to be bounced all the time?
I don't know.
So, Neko over here was completely shocked when I was telling him about Japan Crate and that there was sour cream and onion potato chips in there, because he knows I don't like sour cream and onion.
Yeah, that's one more thing.
That's what I even said. I said, this is going to be a Neko food. I ate almost that whole pack. I saved you a couple. I was like, damn, these are good. Just kept eating them. Oh, God. Excuse me.
Well,
it went down the wrong way. Oh, shit.
while she's dying, I'm gonna mew at you. Mew. Mew. Meow mew mew. Meow meow mew mew. Mew mew mew. Mew. Meow mew 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 mew. Mew. I don't know what that translates into. But there's a whole lot of mewing.
I think I'm alive.
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. I went to swallow and it went down the wrong way, and it's just like the tea came back spewing everywhere. My shirt was all wet. Really, I'm trying to not die on camera. Oh, good Lord. That was completely unexpected. Let me catch my breath here for a second. This should be the birthday cake flavor.
Oh, fuck.
Shall we try this again? It wasn't the chocolate that got me, it was the tea.
Uh-oh.
Birthday cake bliss. A creamy white chocolate and vanilla mousse with colorful nonpareils. I guess that's how you say it. And a white chocolate shell. Okay. I'm almost afraid. Wow. I still can't catch my breath. Dang, I cough so hard I can't breathe. Where's these colorful sprinkles at?
No idea.
It's just white. I can feel them in there. Can't see them, but I can feel them.
Yeah.
There's one. What color is it? White. It's just white. Is that colorful? Where's the colors? Is that a blue one?
I don't know.
Or is that just a space where there was one? I don't know. I don't know. These are good and they're a nice treat. They're not an everyday food.
Yeah.
I'm going to save these for later. I gotta find a place where there's no mice.
Which is impossible because they're everywhere.
Do we dare try this again?
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, I need to put a trap in the bathroom. I saw one in there just a moment ago.
Yeah.
See, a little itty bitty one, but still. Those are the ones that do the most damage.
Yep.
Because then they turn into big ones.
Yep.
And have babies. I managed to take a drink and not kill myself this time. You look confused.
Where's the lid? Is this the lid or is this the... I don't know where the lid is. Is that the lid?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. That's weird.
Ta-da!
It's weird.
There you go. Why are you so strange?
Because I'm a cat.
How did you become a cat?
I don't know.
Because I didn't have any cats at the time that you were created and stuff. Okay, so these are Mr. B potato chips. They're made in West Virginia. Mr. B, the bee's knees. These are old school potato chips, 1951 recipe. So apparently, it says since 1951, apparently that's when the company was founded. I think these are just going to be like regular potato chips. They look like just regular potato chips. But they were a special.
They smell like regular.
It's a regular potato chip.
Yeah.
But you know, the subtle difference between a 1951 recipe and what you get today, these are slightly greasier.
Huh.
And I think it's whatever kind of oil they use. Does it say what kind of oil they use? Hydrogenated soybean oil, palm oil, and or hydrogenated cottonseed oil.
Huh.
Actually, it's potato shortening and salt. And shortening is all those other things that could be in it. It's like Mike sells potato chips that are out of like the Dayton, Ohio area. Used peanut oil. That was their claim to fame. They used peanut oil and they had a distinct taste.
Yeah.
Well, now there's so many people allergic to peanut that.
Yeah.
And Mike Sells went out of business. And Cons, I think, is the one that bought him out.
Yeah, who knows?
And Cons is another Ohio potato chip company who have really, really good salt and vinegar chips.
Yeah.
Highly recommend their salt and vinegar. But now they run the Mike Sells line as well. It's just not the same.
Yeah.
These are good. These actually remind me of the old style Mike Sells. Quite honestly, I think they're better than Lay's.
Yeah, that's saying something because Lay's is good.
If you're going to have just a plain chip, these are good. Anything else we need to try? I think we've tried everything we needed to try.
Yeah, I think so.
And I think I showed everything I had to show. So I didn't really buy that much.
Yeah.
Other than groceries, and those are all put away. I mean, if you really want to know what we bought.
I mean, the usual Hot Pockets and pizza. And then...
Excuse me. Oh my goodness, this is one heck of a video.
Holy shit.
First I nearly choked to death, and now I'm just going to sneeze my head off. Can you hear me? Tissues. Ugh. Before I snot all over everything in the house. I'm sure everyone wants to see that. I can feel another one coming. See, I knew there was another one coming. Okay. You know what? I think it's time to end this video. I'll survive long enough to end the video. You got anything else you need to add?
I don't know. Well, apparently you do, goddamn.
I give up. There's no saving this video. Oh my gosh. If my client sees this one, he's gonna laugh his head off.
And I highly fucking doubt it was a shrimp this time.
Because...
or whatever it was that you had at the Chinese.
Oh, that was the General Tso's chicken.
Oh, yeah.
The red pepper flakes in it.
Oh, yeah, that's what usually makes you explode.
Ooh. That one went out my ear. Me is that ear needed to pop, so that actually was a good thing.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to end this here. Hopefully I can go through the spiel before I just completely fall apart. Remember to do all the YouTube-y things. Comment, like, share, subscribe, ring the bell icon to be notified of future uploads if the YouTube gods deem it worthy. And hopefully before I sneeze my head off. We're going to end it here. I don't know what's coming next. Possibly Temu Haul. Because I know there's going to be at least one come next week. Maybe two. And I just placed my order for the pillows that I was wanting. And a few other little goodies. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't have anticipate anything else. I mean, might find something to haul, but who knows. There's something to talk about. Alright, we'll leave you here. You got anything to add?
Well,
anything that's not too terribly weird?
Yeah!
There
you go.
If you're interested in video game stuff, he does video game stuff on his channel. Beware the profanity, because there's quite a bit of it. I think that's why you haven't made any money yet.
Well, that YouTube keeps doing stupid shit, like telling me to do this, this, and this. And I'm like, I've already got the requirements. And then they have me do something else. And I'm like, this is why I can't make money. That, and I need to have like about $100 before I can cash out. Which is by itself stupid, because like, I should be able to take money out as I need it. It's like, oh, I made like $16. I should take that out, put it on my card or something. But no.
Cry me a river. Wah. Dude, I'm lucky to have over 100 subscribers. Me making enough to get monetized? Yeah, right.
Yeah, you could have back in the day.
Not anytime soon. Well, I had filled out all the stuff to do it, and then they changed all the requirements.
Yeah, that's the problem, is like, everyone tries to...
And they were like, well, you don't meet the requirements, so, you know...
I did
when you meet the requirements, you can refile. Okay, whatever. Meh. But, you know, sometimes it's nice having a small channel, because...
Yeah.
You know, I've got a few people that I actually chat with occasionally.
Yeah.
And, you know... I'm having a good time.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
And that's the thing about having like a smaller channel or Twitch stream or whatever, is that you can actually interact with people, as opposed to like Jacksepticeye or Markiplier that's like, I cannot do this.
They're so big that,
it's like, every time I do a live stream or a video, they cannot interact with every single person because it just keeps piling up. And I'm like...
Yeah, because they're too big.
Yeah.
But then they're also,
yeah,
you know, doing all this other business stuff too, because they can, due to having such large channels.
Yeah. And because...
Anyway.
I mean, they've gotten to the point where they don't have to work a day in their life if YouTube ever shuts down, because they have enough. And if it's not just YouTube money, it's money from other things.
Yeah. Like
Cloak, or Jacksepticeye's coffee brand, or anything like that. So
all the different things PewDiePie's involved with.
Yeah.
Mr. Beast with all his food stuffs.
Yeah, so they're all set for life, pretty much.
They're already millionaires, and they're just getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yep.
And there's channels like me that keep putting out content and hope that people see it.
Yeah. As for me, I don't really care.
Nearly die on camera, but that's alright. Do it for the views.
That might be the thing that breaks the internet. Some human dies on the internet. The cat just mews at people.
Yeah, crazy woman chokes to death on YouTube video while son just sits there and watches. Weirdo.
All I know is
did I order? What did I do with my phone?
I don't know.
Oh, there it is.
It's
I put it in the box so I wouldn't lose it, and I couldn't find it. I think I ordered you a pin.
Huh.
Come on now, come on.
Oh yeah, if anybody from any local chip company, whether it be ones in Ohio or ones in West Virginia, make a ketchup flavored chip,
No!
and I will eat all of it! I'm sure there's a lot of people
You truly want to kill me.
I can't find here.
Did I order it?
Pretty much anymore.
That's What Would Buffy Do. That's the Stan Lee one. That's the I Love 80s Horror. That's the one of Buffy. Here, this one. I ordered one for you and one for me. I'm no damsel in distress. I am no damsel in distress. I am a dragon in a dress.
Pretty much.
I thought it was cute. I did take the right one off, didn't I? Yes, okay. I was trying to order a set of stamps and dies, and I'm getting one as a freebie. I had to make sure I didn't order the same one twice and not get both parts, but I got both parts. We're good. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's just a poster. Canvas poster.
Huh. Now that's interesting.
Yeah.
Huh.
To go with all my Mothman pins.
Interesting. They should definitely do that.
Since we live in the Mothman area, they got a keychain that says Mothman Motel.
They should definitely do that. Just have a motel and call it the Mothman Motel there.
It's changed names. And I forget what it changed to. The motel's still there.
Huh.
It's in Gallipolis.
Yeah, I'm trying to think which one it was that was called.
Anyway, I was wrapping this up and then we got started on other stuff. Remember to do all the YouTube things, comment, like, share, subscribe, ring the bell icon. We'll see you in the next one. That's where we were.
Oh, shit.
I had to run through the whole thing in my head. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Hopefully I survive.